All right, so our friends over at SoundPeats have sent us over their new Air4 Pros. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at their website, which I don't think they actually say a whole lot there, but we're going to do it anyway. Take a look. And of course, take a look at what comes in the box, and then we're going to connect them to my iPhone and give them a listen. So Air4 Pro in-ear aptX lossless wireless earbuds. Now realize, and I think this is something, sound quality, of course, depends a lot on where the sound is coming from, and if your phone is capable of reproducing certain kind of sounds because of its decoders. But I think the aptX is and this is just me thinking out loud, I think it's an Android kind of compression. Most of the services on iPhone use their own compressions, I believe. But if you are on Android, then you get to enjoy the aptX lossless. And if I'm incorrect, please leave comments below because I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, Snapdragon sound with aptX lossless, 13mm dynamic drivers, adaptive ANC tech, so it has active noise canceling and triple mic noise canceling. That's cool. 88 millisecond low latency game mode and a total of 26 hours. That's really cool. Now, there's not a whole lot on here that they talk about. $90 right now is what you're looking at. Picture-wise, CD quality, lossless audio. I like that they say CD quality. CD quality, as far as I know, is actually not really that great, but it's probably better than a lot of Bluetooth audio. So that's cool. What else does it say here? There's your dynamic drivers, adaptive. So high-end noise reduction, they're saying it can do 45 dBs, which is really high because, like they say, a lot of flagships are kind of in the mid-30s. So 45, that's really good. Now, I have a couple flights coming up at the end of this month. I may actually take these with me just to see how they do on the plane. So expect maybe a short. Maybe I'll do a short and just to tell you what my experience was, because I've got a lot of airport time. See aptX voice audio technology and 6 mics. Very cool. I do like the fact they say 26. So that's 26 hours with charging case. Realize that 6 hours per charge, and your charging case should give you 4 charges. Okay, that makes more sense. In-ear detection, so it will usually pause when you pop them out automatically, which is kind of nice. And multi-point connection. Oh, Bluetooth 5.3. Awesome. I like the fact that it has multi-point. I believe that means that you should be able to connect them to multiple devices without having to disconnect them from other ones, would be my guess. And there's a look at all your stuff that it's going to come with. Now, I'm going to open it up so that we can see the stuff more personally, more in depth, more closer, much more closer. All right, here we go. So here's your box, Air Pro. What is it? Air4 Pro, sorry. Same kind of specs. You get little specs on the back if you guys can even read that. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. What's in the box? What's in the box? It's got a good, they always come with a good seal for sure. And I do like the fact that the SoundPeats always feel like they're very, I think I did that upside down. It's like a retail box, right? Something you feel like you'd go into a store and pick up. So in here is going to be your introduction and your manual. We're not going to go too deep into that because we just don't want this video to be 400 hours long. And there's going to be your SoundPeats, and my guess is underneath this we are going to get, you see there's two little packages there. One's going to be your USB cable, which is going to be really small. It is what it is. They always are small, right? There's your USB-C to USB-A. I'm just going to put that back in here because I don't necessarily need them right now. And on this side is going to be your extra size tips. So just realize that you want to make sure you pick the right size for your ears so that you get a proper seal and proper sound. So if they hurt, not using the right size. If they don't sound right, there's a chance you're not using the right size. Play around, make sure you get the right size in there. And this has shifted just a tiny little bit. I'm just going to shift that over. Focus, focus. There we go. All right, so here they be. All black. And you do get this kind of rose goldy sound beats on them. Now, before we even open them, we're going to bring up my Bluetooth here and go to the bottom just to make sure we can see anything that may just pop up. And Nice case. The rose gold. It doesn't look like it comes in any other color, just this, I think. So there we go. Ready? Pop. And we get the light pop on. Anything happen? Do we get anything? I don't think so. Maybe it needs to be taken out. So I'm guessing this is right side. And they are, just so you guys can see, they have a pretty long stem on them. It's not crazy, but it's pretty long. You know, it doesn't look like there's any tape or anything like that on these, because a lot of them will have a tape so that they don't disconnect while they're in the packaging. So I'm going to put that in here because it does have ear detection, it says. Yes. Well, they fit my ears decently. I'm going to say that. Nothing has showed up yet. Do I have to turn? Oh, they're supposedly they're on already. It came up and said pass through, but I don't see any, because I have Air 4s, but I didn't have Air 4 Pros. These are Air 4 Pros. The pass through, just so you guys know, the pass through is excellent for sure. Now I'm wondering if I turn that off, maybe my Bluetooth is just not being friendly. Oh yeah, see, here we go. A whole bunch just relisted. So there you go. So that's my fault. Don't blame it on this. Connected. Yeah, that pass through is awesome, which some people call transparency mode. But yeah, that's really good. Now I'm wondering how you change modes. So is it a tap? Is it a squeeze? No. So that's play. Okay, well we might as well play something. Yeah, they sound great. And this is with the pass-through mode, transparency mode. Maybe if I go on this side, I gotta go 1, 2, 3, maybe. Double tap is just, and that's volume. Okay, so you can control volume here. Just single taps on the right goes up, single taps on the left goes down. Double tap will stop it and start it. And if I have to hold it, no, that's fast forward. I'm gonna stop that again. So there's got to be a magic to turn the noise canceling on. Yes. So let's just hold on a second. But I have to say, they do sound lovely. I'm gonna say it. Here we go. Controls. I want to be able to, yep. Noise reduction. Press and hold the left for. Okay, so I just did it on the wrong side. So left, right? Yeah. So it's the left side. So this is normal mode, which is fine. Actually, it's got a really good seal in it to start. So if you're using the right tips, like I can still hear, because I have like the heating in that, and we use fans to heat the basement. So I can still hear that. Normal mode. Okay, hold. Oh yeah, no, that's really good. That's surprisingly good, actually. Like I can't hear anything else outside of my own voice, and you can actually tell it's trying to work a little bit with the voice too, because you get a lot of that low end that's kind of taken out. Okay, so let's start. Can I 1, 2, 3, maybe? Oh, and then 1, 2, 3 on this one went into game mode, and then if I 1, 2, 3, exit game mode, and then 1, 2, start. I'm getting there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3 on this side brought up Siri. I just kind of want to hear this again. I'm gonna crank these right up for volume wise, just to make sure. All the way up. Yeah, they sound good. They're not crazy bass, like super bass heavy, but I'm gonna actually put them into normal mode for a second. No, when you change the modes, a lot of times you can hear different. Like they take a little bit of a different sound characteristic, but not really. The sound is actually quite good. I'm going to come in here, and of course we're going to do Blinding Light, because that's what I listen to all the time. Oh no, the bass is good, because it was a song I had chosen that just wasn't high in bass. Yeah, these sound great. Especially, what, $89? Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So now I'm in normal mode, I believe. Yeah, I can tell by the fact that I can hear my fans. Let's go into this. I used to use Filmic Pro, but Filmic Pro wants to keep charging me stuff, so now I'm using this Black Magic camera, which is excellent. And what we're going to do is, I still have to figure this out. Settings. We should be able to figure out camera, audio source. Oh, there we go. Audio source. SoundPeats Air Pros. Already set up to record. Very cool. Let's go back here, switch the camera around. Again, I'm getting used to all this stuff, so bear with me. All right, guys, I think I got it figured out. It took me a second. I haven't really been using the Blackmagic app, but I'm there. I'm with you. Anyways, this is the audio that you're going to get out of the Air 4 Pros. I do have it in normal mode, just so you guys know, so that it allows us to make sure we are using as well, here's my thing. I usually find with some headphones, not all, when you have noise canceling on and you do an audio recording like this, sometimes the sound isn't degraded. I think it's because the mics are being used for something else. So I usually turn it off when I'm recording just to get the best sound quality that it's you can get, just in case. All right, you guys have heard it. Let's go back to the normal camera. Okay, so I have to say I am pleased with the sound quality. Now, you guys have heard the microphone. I have not. So you guys can make up your mind in regards to if you like that or if you don't. It's completely up to you. In regards to Bluetooth, my guess would be, if they don't, then I'd be completely shocked. If you take them out and put these back in here, that they should completely disconnect. Let's see. Yeah, not connected. So, yeah, they're great. You know what? I would say that they are batting above their level. You know, you're getting more than what you're paying for because the sound quality is good. As far as I can tell, the noise canceling is fantastic. But I'll watch for a short because there'll be a short coming out sometime later this month when I'm flying, just so I can test them there as well. Hopefully, unless I forget them, which is always a possibility. The transparency mode, actually really good too. Plus, they come with all the stuff you need. They're comfortable, and it looks like you should get really good battery life out of them. All right, guys, this is the SoundPeats Air 4 Pros, and so far, I'm liking them. We'll see what our thoughts are after I get back. All right, guys, we will see you next video. Links down below for all this stuff, and I'm out. Later.